The early days of babyhood is an excellent time to engage your babies in activities that stimulate bonding experience. Hello everyone, I'm back with another videos on best activities for 0 to 6 months old. These activities help babies in gaining new skills and also helps in brain development. Number 1 is tummy time. Let them do tummy time by lying them on their stomach, on their tummy, on a firm surface. It can be on the floor by you can lay down a mat on the floor and then you can lay them on their tummy, and or you can do it on the bed also. They look up to see things around. It helps in building neck, shoulder, and core strength and also helps in strengthening the neck muscles. Next is talk and sing. You can talk to them in the way they wanted to, or you can do some activities while talking to them, or you can sing some songs to them. It strengthens language development and it also strengthens bonding. Number 3 is contrast cards. You can take some contrast cards, usually black and white cards with big images, and you can show it to them. It helps in stimulating early vision and eye tracking. Number 4 is mirror play. So you can make them stand in front of the mirror, or you can show them a certain mirror and make certain faces in front of them. You can smile to them. You can do actions in front of the mirror. It helps in encouraging visual focus and self awareness. They get to know about themselves. They get to see their face. They get to know that who are they, where are their nose, where are their eyes. Next is baby massage. You can lay them in your lap, or you can lay them on the bed and do a proper massage for the full body, like their legs, their hands, their back, everything. It promotes relaxation, strengthens bonding, and also helps in strengthening their muscles. Number 6 is read together. You can take them in your lap and also read a storybook to them, slowly by explaining it to them. It helps in boosting listening skills and early language. And last is reach and grab. You can put a thing at a distance from them and ask them to come to there. You can call them towards that thing. It helps in improving hand-eye coordination and their grasping skills. You can do these skills with your 0 to 6 months old baby, and let me know in the comment section which skill do you do with your baby and which skill do you like the most. Thank you for watching. Happy